Cole, you already know what time it is, right, buddy?
Big Dom.
Cole, Big Dom's got like the nicest setup, doesn't he?
Oh yeah, he does.
Big Dom!
Hey.
What's up, buddy?
Hey.
We were just talking. God damn, he's got the nicest setup, doesn't he? Brought the big trailer.
Yeah, I got a few things today.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. You know, it's as you see, Cole, it's snow everywhere. That ain't stopping us, is it, buddy?
No, we told you guys we're gonna do some more snow stuff. So that's what we're here to do.
Yep. And actual quads, not snowmobiles, quad still.
Let's go check them out, Dom. What?
Dom got almost a foot. All right, Cole. I already told Cole kind of what to expect, so ain't gonna be that surprised. But ready? Boom! And we already know we got the 4 snows on, huh?
Yeah.
Dom's big Raptor, the 770. It's full, Cole. It's full.
It's always full.
And then of course they remember the Z's. Dom still got the Z.
Yeah.
You end up doing anything with it yet, buddy?
Windshield and new tires.
Oh. Damn, those some meats on there, man.
Gary, feel any different, Dom, or not really?
It crawl like it'll do 4 miles an hour pretty easy. Actually,
So
but it's not. It's a little different, but it's not like night and day.
Cole, we'll have to take it for a drive and compare it to ours,
Yeah.
right, buddy?
So it definitely crawls a little bit better, huh?
Yeah, like loading. I noticed it most like loading it in the trailer and stuff. The clutch doesn't kick in and out so much. Loading it.
That's pretty nice, though.
Pretty clean. It's the first time actually Cody's seeing it. It's kind of a nice, clean setup in the back here, ain't it, man?
Oh yeah.
With the rad relocate and everything.
I've never seen it.
You lose your trunk space, but I mean, at least they made it look decent.
There isn't as nearly as much room in the back, but.
Pretty clean, man. Pretty clean. Better warm up, buddy. Okay, Dom, now for what you're really here for. A couple machines we never rode before. Give us a rundown, buddy. I will wait till you get them out. There she is, Goes. Tell them what it is, buddy.
KFX 700.
Never had an experience with one of these. All right, last up on the list. Dang, man. She's cold.
Yeah.
All right, Dom, before we get into it, if they didn't see the other video, give them a rundown what this is.
It's a 2020 YXZ. It's a full Trinity exhaust, DLP tune. Other than that, it's pretty stock.
It's pretty stock,
Windshield.
man. So 2020, and Dom got a steal of a price on this. So thing only has like, it has less than 2,000 miles.
Yeah.
So yeah, she's in really good shape. Dom, got some plans for it though, buddy, don't you?
Yeah.
How's she doing, buddy, in the snow?
Pretty good.
Did you get kind of covered?
Oh, man.
Yep, for sure. Dude, when you go by, you can't see anything with all the snow coming up in the air. Cold, when he gets on the pipe, it sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it's like the perfect sound.
I don't know about you, dude, but that made me want to get my Z out really bad. Dude, let's go get it.
Okay.
All right, boys, update. Dom looked like he was having too much fun in his Z, so we're gonna go get mine. I would have brought it over earlier, but freaking battery was dead, but Dom saved the day. He brought a jumper pack. So, and he's actually never even seen my Z, so, and I rode it like twice, because if you don't know, me and Code buy stuff at the worst possible time, don't we, buddy?
Yeah, right before winter.
Right before winter, and then we sit there and we look at it. But not in this case. We're gonna go get it and bring it on over.
Yeah.
Pop her on in, boys. There she said, Dom.
Always has been one of my favorite colors on them.
Yo. Never mind. Cold, we got two of them going. One more, right, buddy?
One more, buddy. One more.
Cold's hasn't been started in a long time.
So this shit isn't heated, so.
It's all good, man. It's all good.
See?
Dom came through, saved the day.
She's cold.
Oh, man!
Hi.
Nice of him to show up. Got two of them going, old man. One more.
Hey, you got some freaking road show? I'm at the bar. A bar? I'm gonna have to freaking play around just for a little bit. Come on, baby. Hey, with me. Look my yard. God, I can't freaking see. Nice. I don't know Dom. He's always got the souped up one. These codes ripping up my fucking yard. Let's see what Dom can do. One, two, three. Go, Danny boy, go.
Oh, man.
I think that's
Not having
pretty
a
good.
windshield is kind of brutal, buddy.
I bet it is.
Oh, God.
How
I'm
you
getting
doing?
covered. I'm getting covered, buddy.
They're trying to get me all snowy.
The center section.
What's old man think of Dom's first time seeing it, buddy?
Really nice shape.
Didn't you say you were kind of looking to get like an American flag on the side or something like that?
Do a little something to break up all the white on the side.
Jeez, that's pretty cool. Got 3 of them in your yard, oh man. That's pretty cool, man.
3 of them ripping up my yard. No, that's freaking nice. Really nice.
Shit, man. Think about how much money's just sitting there. That's pretty crazy, ain't it?
Feel the difference between this one and your, what was your other one? 17?
Yeah. They're pretty much. You can tell the gearing a little bit. Yeah, I think it's a little snappier. Like when you first lay on the throttle, it maybe picks up a little quicker, but it's not huge.
Right.
He got pretty much a steal of a price on this, though, man.
He always does.
Actually, Dom, who found it for you, buddy? Who found it for you?
You did.
Yeah. Because actually, guys, crazy story. I was actually thinking about buying this one instead of mine. The only deal breaker was me, is I wanted a little bit lower miles. And Dom got a newer machine, though, and I mean, it's in nice shape, dude. All right, guys. So, as you can see by Cole's machine especially, rode the heck out of them in the snow.
This is some of the funnest time of the year with these toys.
Yeah, but it's cold, ain't it cold?
She a little cold, yeah.
But anyway, I mean, they'll probably do it with the side-by-sides, guys. We're going to get into the quads now, but just make sure you guys hit the links below, follow all our social media, some of the companies we work with, and probably see you in the next one, right, Code? Anything to add, buddy?
No, you said it pretty well, buddy. See you guys in the next video.